Afternoon, Pete here. Just out in the garden, just going to get some new potatoes. So I thought I'd bring you along, just show you. Just putting some compost out here in a moment. Stanley's been a pain, as usual. Get one of them. We'll do this one, so you can see it there. Bring it over here. Might have to do two, because I've got wife's sister staying, and her friend, two Karens. So what I do is do that first. Get all this old weeds done. We've got a few anyway. We've got a few. So put it over there, and then I'll tip it out in here and see what we got. See what we've got any potatoes. And I've got some lettuce to cut up here. So I'll get lettuce out. Get one of these. Take some beet leaves as well. Nice. Lettuce. Various types. I know they're going to seed a bit, but I still keep using them. And them cauliflowers in there, look. Look at them. Can you see the cauliflowers? Beautiful. We're going to have a few, got some cucumbers here as well. Look, the one there. I'll take that, I can take that one off really. But here's Stanley. So yeah, it was just an unboxing with a difference, I guess. So I've still got that pot there. I've got another pot over there. And you can see my second earlies and all that. I've got some first at the front there. I'm nearly ready, so. And we'll also have some peas, so. Be good, a bit of spinach as well to go in the salad. Bit of spinach in there. I think we've got some mint around here. So look what we've got here. That'll do, a bit of that. Go in the potatoes. Come on, Stanley. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Otherwise he'll be gone. Anyway, that's a nice little crop from the garden. Got some nice salad, nice potatoes for the barbecue later on today. Anyway, just sort of bring you along and show you that. Stanley's thinking, what can I get up to? Speak to you all soon. Pete out. Cheers.